We joined forces with Oppo, and we are offering the A71 at a very affordable price. The Oppo A71 is an excellent handset, and this will also enable our subscribers to really fully enjoy the fastest smart LTE. In fact, if you look at Open Signal and Ookla, they have actually recognized smart LTE as the fastest mobile data connection in the country. So with this, consumers can actually enjoy an overall better connection. But more importantly, our consumers would be able to connect with their family members, and we're able to also empower individuals as well as businesses.
Oppo is smart. We want to provide a smartphone that is LTE ready and up to date at the most affordable price.